How to send money with Regions Bank Zelle. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how you can send money using Zelle through Regions Bank. First, you gotta open your Regions mobile app or log into regions.com online. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on the option on the home screen that says Pay with Zelle or Send Money with Zelle, something similar to it. Then what you can do is just go ahead and choose the account you want to send money from and enter the recipient's email address or US mobile number that's linked to Zelle. Once you have done that, you can enter the amount and select your eligible funding. The recipient will usually get the money within minutes, and if you see a confirmation on your screen. Once you've entered the amount and select your eligible funding, you can select Review and then tap on Send. And in the mobile app, you can either select the Pay and Transfer menu from the bottom of your navigation screen, then select Send Money with Zelle, or select Zelle from the top of the page. Then when in an account, you can scroll down and select Send Money with Zelle. Select your recipient or simply enter their US mobile number or email address, select Review and Send. And that's it. It's really quick, safe, and then simple. You can send money with Regions Bank Zelle in just a few taps. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. I'll catch you guys on the next one.